These Asian-style steamed buns are filled to the brim with the delicious veggie and tofu filling. Start off by making a dough. Combine dried yeast with sugar and water, allow it to bubble up, then add plain flour, baking powder, salt and oil. Bring this all together to form a ball, knead for a few minutes and leave it to prove. In the meantime, make the bun filling. Grate a large carrot, finely chop half a red pepper, a handful of mushrooms, some spring onions and half a pak choi. In a pan, heat up some sesame oil and add in most of the veggies, along with some crumbled up smoked tofu, soy sauce, garlic and ginger, and then finally add in the pak choi. Once the dough has proved, divide into 8 balls, roll out and stretch slightly. Fill generously with the cooled filling, pinch in the sides leaving no gaps, and twist the top to seal. Place onto parchment paper squares and into a steamer over boiling water. After 15 minutes, you have perfectly puffed up steamed buns. These can be cooked in a pan with a little water too, or even in the microwave. They just won't be as fluffy. These steamed buns are delicious just as they are, but you could serve them with a soy dipping sauce or some spicy chili oil. Why not give this simple steamed bun recipe a try?